grid full of electric racers are about to go racing. For the first time, we go green in Beijing.
And that means that Nelson Piquet Jr. wins the championship.
And we're green in Paris. It's a good start from Lambert on the right. Buemi is the FIA